This is the Rlaarlo Tk07 RC Crawler. Today we bring you the first official, most comprehensive and detailed reveal yet. This professional RC crawler is built to 1/7 scale of real vehicles, where the first release offers both brushed and brushless versions to meet different users' needs. Official launch special price is
$699.99 for brushless, $599.99 for brushed.
Note, this is the launch special price. Now is the best opportunity to get one at this price. Opening the box, we can see the actual Tk07, a 10-channel remote controller, spare tires, product manual and spare parts. The package is very comprehensive. 3 paint schemes are available from factory: green, white and brown red, with matching exquisite decals. Every detail demonstrates professional grade quality. The 1.5mm PC car body eliminates traditional body posts and body clip mounting design, adopting a flip open design. The front of the body uses spring-loaded rotating clips for mounting, making opening more convenient and body mounting more secure. The Tk07 features a professional-grade, fully integrated lighting system, including headlights, position lights, turn signals, hazard lights, high beams, reverse lights and braking lights, greatly enhancing nighttime driving realism. Realistic chrome-plated exterior components include front grille, front bumper, rear bumper, mirrors, door handles, with every detail precisely crafted. Factory-equipped roof rack edge metallic detailing tape plus black micro tape for users to apply door lines and panel lines themselves, further adding to the realism of the Tk07. The Tk07 adopts a professional RC chassis design with a wheelbase of 428mm. Realistic suspension travel with organized wiring layout provides excellent ground clearance, easily handling challenges from various terrains. The CNC 6mm aluminium alloy main rail uses a high-gloss anodizing process, not only enhancing rigidity, but also making the Tk07 appearance more refined. The entire Tk07 uses 8mm stainless steel tie rods, with the front section equipped with 1 panhard bar, 1 steering tie rod and 3 front tie rods, 1 upper tie rod, 2 lower tie rods, plus 4 rear tie rods, 2 upper, 2 lower tie rods. The Tk07 features cushioned steering links to extend the lifespan of the servo, more stable when driving on bumpy roads. Shock absorbers are fully upgraded. Ultra-long 120mm all-metal oil-filled shocks with maximum shock travel up to 37mm. Added dust covers, enlarged and thickened sealing rings, reinforced shock cores and added sealing dust boots to effectively prevent dust intrusion, affecting shock rebound, reducing binding and oil leakage issues, enabling smooth driving even on rough roads. The flat transmission case forward weight distribution design lowers the Tk07's center of gravity, improving climbing performance and stability. The reverse rotation transmission design reduces torque twist. High-low speed transparent transmission casing design allows viewing of the gear shifting, enabling viewing of the drivetrain changes in real time. Independent front and rear differential control with portal axles using 1.2M gears for enhanced durability, capable of locking and unlocking front and rear differentials. When terrain becomes more challenging, lock differentials to provide equal power distribution to tires, preventing rollovers during high-speed runs. The disconnect system enables free switching between front-wheel drive, four-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. Users can adjust gears according to specific needs, adapting to different road conditions. The brushed version features a 5280 motor with 12,500 RPMs at high speed, using a neodymium iron boron strong magnet design. 140 amp ESC supporting 3S battery equipped with 40 kg steering servo. The brushless version features a 4282 motor, 2600 kV with built-in magnetic encoder sensor, providing very high precision and resolution for accurate rotor positioning. 140 amp ESC supports 2 to 4S batteries with amp parameter adjustment. It includes a cooling fan and is equipped with a 45 kg brushless steering servo. Superior durability, better low-speed linearity, quieter operation, smoother running and excellent waterproofing. The Tk07 adopts a portal axle design, providing higher ground clearance and pass-through performance. Portal axles connect gear reduction on both sides, greatly reducing unnecessary torque loss. A 10-channel remote controller with approximately 350-meter control range, simple structure, easy to use, excellent controllability, integrates throttle, steering, front, rear differential locks, disconnect, high-low speed, lighting functions. powered by 4 AA batteries or a 2S lithium battery for convenient replacement. The Rlaarlo Tk07 at official launch special price.
$699.99 for brushless, $599.99 for brushed.
Whether you're a seasoned RC crawler driver seeking professional grade products or a quality pursuing collector, the Tk07 is an absolutely worthwhile perfect choice. Thank you for watching the official full detailed first reveal of the Rlaarlo Tk07. Remember, the launch price
$699.99 for brushless, $599.99 for brushed.
is the most favorable time to buy. Miss it and you'll wait for a long time before these prices come again. Don't forget to follow the official Rlaarlo channels. We'll continue bringing more exciting professional grade new RC products to you.